got CDs for sale actually. I have an EP. Just a technical way for saying I kind of demo the tape on CD format. It's a nice mix of produced master tracks. It's 5 bands, 5 tracks. It's a bargain. You know, let me know. This next song is called 3 Good Men. Next song, I'm going to move on to piano after this, but this song is on my EP, so yeah, if you want to hear it all funky and mixed and masters, let me know. join me on the piano. I'm going to play for you a cover, because, you know, it's not always exciting when you're hearing all new songs. Sometimes it's exciting. I'm hoping it is exciting, but this is a John Mayer song called Stop This Train. No, I'm not colorblind. I know the world is black and white. Try to keep an open mind, but I just can't sleep on this tonight. So stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. I can't stand the speed it's moving in. I know I can't, but honestly, won't someone stop this train? Don't know how else to say it. Don't wanna see my parents go. One generation's length away from living life out on my own. So stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. I can't stand the speed it's moving in. I know I can't, but honestly, won't someone stop this train? So scared of getting older, I'm only good at being young. So I play the numbers game to find a way to say that life has just begun. Had a talk with my old man, said help me understand. He said turn 68, you'll renegotiate. Don't stop this train, and don't for a minute change the place you're in. And don't think that I could never understand. I tried my hand,
in a while. When it's good, it'll feel like it should. And they're all still around, and you're still safe and sound. And you don't miss a thing till you cry when you're driving away in the dark, singing, stop this train, I wanna get off and go home again. I can't stand the speed it's moving in. I know I can't, but honestly, won't someone stop this train?
Thank you. But I'm never too comfortable playing too many covers, so this one is an original by me. It's called I Do It For Your Love. I wrote this a long time ago. Bit of an amalgamation of lots of relationships. I was naive in my youth, the first time I recognized that I loved you. Searching for your face, trying to catch your eyes. It was at that moment I recognized all my life I never really used to be a simple lad, and mixed up with 1,000 bad ideas. My hopes, my fears, back when I can bear to hold back my tears. I know you like a cup of tea first thing, and I know you never really like the fake gold ring. And when you sing I feel on top of the world, and don't know the way I cling to you is so absurd. But I do it for your love. I do it for your love. Didn't take long for a full-size flower. I'll blossom a love beat, so blossom a power. And by the hour, you got me wrapped around your thumb. And I knew it, but screw it, I never did play dumb. It's a streamlined feed with speed up scene. Love is a vehicle like you've never seen. It's only fit for two, but something three. And then you go and wonder why you lost me. You were so cute when you tidied the house. You got such a strict system that I can't work out. Your love still true come September. And all of these things you'll always remember. I did it for your love. I did it for your love. I did it for your love, your love. I do it for your love. I do it for your love. I do it for your love. Friday marks the end of the week, and society marks the end of the meek. And for us, well, trust the end was a must, but I love you long past the end of us. Cause I know you always got the same ringtone, set to kiss just cause I hate Tom Jones. Get a funny knee when you walk too far. You feel self-conscious when you're in small bars. Firemen fight fires and peace prevent riots. Got to top your heel, but not how you feel when it's real. The pain that breaks my heart only took us to finish what Cupid started. I did it for your love. I did it for your love. I did it for your love, your love. I did it for your love. Thank you, that one as well. You can get on my EP. That's going to be the last time I mention that, I promise. I'm the Skunk Boy Project, in case you haven't already gathered that or read it off the back of my t-shirt. I'm just delighted to be here to play some music.
Your smile crumbles, I wake up and long for more. It hurts me every time that I see you in the street. Why must you be so cruel to me every time we meet? I've got to get you out of my head places that our love could have led. I've got to get you out of my mind, because you're driving me insane every time you walk by. I lean in close to touch you, like we're so much more than friends, and then I find myself awake, I'm dreaming once again. Could things have been different if I'd given you the time? But it's too late to think like that, 'cause you're no longer mine. Got to get you out of my head and forget about the places that our love could have led. I've got to get you out of my mind, because you're driving me insane every time by. I know things could be different if I only could let go, but it's so hard to start saying yes when I'm so used to saying no. I know how I should feel, and I also know what's true, and the biggest truth right now is I need to forget about you. I've got to get you out of my dreams, and remember that my fantasies are not quite what they seem. I've got to get you out of my brain, because there's only so much more I can handle of this pain.
Cheers. Gonna go back over there to the ukulele, don't mind me. It's alright, for those of you who really enjoyed the piano, I'll be back on it in a second for a couple more songs. But I wanted to play something else first. This song is called Lovable Evil Dictators, and I wrote it about a very special woman who doesn't get a very good rap in this song. alright, I don't feel that way about it now. Okay, this next song's a little bit new, so I hope you'll forgive me if I get it wrong. But I won't be trying to. Thank you. You're far too kind. This song's about dealing with pain. So, yeah, I hope you like it. If you're dealing with pain, it might be hard to hear, but that's the ironic twist.
Size
Better not leap around the stage like that. Okay. This is my only other cover today. I hope you recognize it, and I hope you enjoy it. Catch a star if you can and wish for something special. Let it be me. My love is free. Sing a song to yourself and think of someone listening. Little melody, you're all for me. Just for you and me. If you let me love you, I'll paint a masterpiece just for you to see. If you let me love you, let me love you. Are you ready? Are you ready for love? Yes, I am, oh yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready for love? Yes, I am, oh yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready for love? You're the one, like the sun, so shine your love around me. You'll always be the one for me. Say the word, I'll be there, loving you forever. Just let me go. Just say it's so. And we'll hear the music play from the mountain tops to the valleys below us. We'll serenade the world with a lullaby, so the angels will know us. Angels will know us. Are you ready? Are you ready for love? Yes, I am, oh yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready for love? Yes, I am. 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 Are you ready? Are you ready for love? Yes, I am, oh yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready for love? Thank you. I have no idea what I'm working on set time wise, but yay, I've got time. Okay, this next song is, I wrote this when I was very, very young. It's like one of the first songs I wrote, and I was, it's been adjusted a little since then, but I was always a bit proud of it. It's kind of modelled after that Devendra Banhart, like, hippie theme, you know? I've got a little piece of heaven where I can rest my head. It looks a little like a bedroom with a slightly bigger bed. I've got a little piece of sun-baked dust where I can plant my humble seed. I know it doesn't really look like much, but it'll grow eventually. Inside your mind is a quiet place. Inside the music is a trembling bass.
Inside your lover there's a happy face. Inside your feelings there's a saving grace. I've got a little piece of broken heart that I am working to repair. It looks a little like a work of art if you handle it with care. I've got a memory of a happy place that gets me through the working day. I know it seems a little out of place, but it helps me think of what to say. Inside your mind is a quiet place. Inside the music is a trembling bass. Inside your lover there's a happy face. Inside your feelings there's a saving grace. I could have been a mountain climber, but I don't like to get out of bed. I could have been a mathematician, but the numbers really mess with my head. I could have been an astronaut, but I don't like being too far from home. I could have been a politician, but I don't like to throw the first stone. I've got the gentle hum of my guitars to help distract me from the pain. I've got the melodies of falling stars that I've collected in the rain. I've got a picture of a smiling sun that I drew when I was 4. At the time I drew it just for fun, but now it means a great deal more. Inside your mind is a quiet place. Inside the music is a trembling bass. Inside your lover there's a happy face. Inside your feelings there's a saving grace.
Thank you very much, thank you. I've got about 2 more songs, does that sound alright? Yeah? Okay. Okay, I'll do one on each. I'll do one ukulele song, one piano song. We can say goodbye properly. It'll be sweet. I wrote this one 2 days ago, which is why I've got the lyrics with me, because I have rules about not using lyrics. I think it's a little unprofessional. But then again, forgetting your lyrics is also unprofessional, so I probably haven't done too well tonight. But I wrote this song about 2 days ago. Like I said, it's called Give It All. And this is the last song of the set, so this is why I'm prepared to do this. But I might, Don't put your life on hold, 'cause you're not in control. Sometimes we forge a path, sometimes we join the flow. Don't wind yourself up tight, just keep your shoulders light. Don't let your troubles win, just let your blessings in. Give it all and you'll find love comes flooding back. If you want people to lean to, let people lean on you. And if you hold out your hand, people will pull you through. Not to be understood. And if you're feeling grey, make someone else feel good. If you feel you need a friend, then find yourself a friend in need. And if you want your heart to mend, with where you have been. If you give a little out, you get a little more back. Give it all and you'll find love comes flooding back. Don't ask what life can give, just thank the Lord for what life is. And when life lets you down, get yourself up. Just shut your heavy load, look back and see how you have grown. Then turn around and run to the unknown. If you want to let love in, you gotta give love out. If you want to, if your worries wear you thin, then you gotta share those doubts. If you feel you need a friend, find yourself a friend in need. If you want your heart to mend, then make peace with where you've been. If you give a little out, you get a little more back. Give it all and you'll find love comes flooding back.